Hey guys, for the members of my channel, again, I just want to give you guys a good stock tip. I come out with these stock tips every month so that the amount of money that you guys pay to be a member of the channel, that it actually pays off, okay? And if you notice, I don't give out the same information on my channel, so this could be good. I know that it's a little dark in here. I'm just kind of chilling, getting ready for another video, give out some notes, but this can be absolutely great for you guys, okay? So with that being said, I'm going to share my screen here, and I want to show you Jaguar Health. Okay, now when I show you the analytics on this, I don't want you guys to really lose it. But Jaguar Health has been through a lot, and I believe in the near future, probably in the next 6 months, that it can absolutely go up to $5. But what I'm about to show you, that it's going to already let you know, because of the indicators of the volatility in this price change, that it's a very, very risky stock nonetheless. So let's get into it. This is Jaguar Health. The ticker for this one is JAGX, okay? JAGX is the ticker. But let's look at this. Over the past 5 years, let me show you where Jaguar Health used to be. Yes, that is correct. Your eyes are not failing you. Per share, Jaguar Health used to be worth $3,200, okay? Then it dropped. It dropped down to $1,600, okay? Then 19, it went back up to 2,000. Then it dropped, then it dropped, then it dropped, and then it bottomed out, okay? Because believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen, even here at 1,300, it started to continue. It got, let me show you right here, it got down to under $1. So why do I believe that this could be a good stock in your portfolio that you guys can actually make some money off of? I did the research, and they're doing a total reconstruction, revamping of the total organization and business structure. So right now they only have 29 employees, headed out of San Francisco, founded in 2013. It says it's a commercial stage pharmaceutical company, okay? So we understand pharmaceutical companies, they go through waves. They're not like your GlaxoSmithKlines or your Pfizers or your Modernas, where they have a lot of sustainability in a certain price margin, where these came out, they skyrocket, and then they dropped. But again, dealing with the trajectory and looking at the analytics that this stock can actually booster on, I have this particular stock on my Webull account. That way I don't give away a lot of information from the members that you guys are paid into. So Jaguar X could be a great stock. And it's funny because one of my subscribers today, Killer 187, actually said something about this. I'm like, I know about this stock. And I researched the stock back in December for January's video. So again, it says Jaguar Health soars 40% in heavy volume, on track for 18-month high. This is kind of just give you some headlines. Return on capital employed over health. Jaguar Health reported Q3 sales of 2.7 million, okay? As you can tell, the past earnings have been up, and up. That's absolutely great. And people who are in the same space are Zoometrica, Ocurogen, Genomics, and Sungrow. I don't know why that's even in there, Sundial Growers. But nonetheless, I believe that this one can absolutely be great. So let's go over to Zacks very quickly to see what Zacks says about this. Now, I haven't already done the research. I want to do this live with you guys so you guys get the same information, because I did a little more research on their year projections and their financials to see where their business is actually heading, okay? So we're going to type in JAGX, and Animal Health, okay? And right now they don't have a rating for Zacks. So let's go over to Yahoo Finance, my regular websites I like to show you guys. Okay. Look into this. JAGX. There you go. I didn't want to click that. All right. Let's look to see if they have any. Look at this right here. All right. One indicator that I love here, short term up, mid-term up, performance outlook. That's why it's probably imperative for you guys to absolutely buy into this stock, okay? Let's look what else they have. They're saying right here that it's overvalued. Okay, but they're saying here's a lot of information will kind of tell you in the market that a lot of analysts contradict themselves. They're telling you that it's overvalued. They're telling you that it is going to perform well. So you got to take a lot of this with a grain of salt. But I'm going to tell you right now, based upon what I read and some of the financials I went over, it's a good buy. But you're going to have to hold it for a while. Okay. This is going to get buy. I don't see it bottoming out under $1 anymore. Okay. So for stocks in this sector, this is a good buy. All right. So I wanted that to be quick, short, and make sure I give you guys clear, concise, and short information for you guys to make money in your financial life. Again, that's a stock under $4. All right, guys. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Hopefully this one gives you just as much money as my last one. Like remember Grow Generation. I gave all my members that as well, and look where it is today. So I might know what I'm talking about. I don't know, but you're paying for it. Hopefully you're getting your money's worth. I'm out.